Does what we wear matter to God? Does God care about how we dress? Or is modesty just an outdated idea? In a world where fashion constantly changes, many Christians are asking, can I follow Jesus and still dress however I want? Today's culture encourages us to seek attention, approval, and identity through appearance. Social media influencers, celebrities, and fashion trends often tell us that our value comes from how much attention we attract. As a result, modesty is sometimes viewed as old-fashioned, while revealing or provocative styles have become normal. But God's people have always been called to be different, not to earn salvation, but because they belong to Him. The Bible says in 1 Timothy 2 verse 9, women should adorn themselves in modest apparel, with shamefacedness and sobriety. And in Romans 12 verse 2, be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind. The principle applies to everyone, men and women alike. Our clothing, appearance, and choices should reflect humility, purity, and respect for ourselves and others. God looks first at the heart, but what is in the heart eventually shows in our outward lives. True dress reform regulates every article of clothing. Modesty is not about controlling others or comparing ourselves with one another. It is about asking a simple question: does my appearance point people to Christ or to myself? Natural beauty, simplicity, and cleanliness honor the God who created us. Following every trend, imitating celebrities, or seeking validation through appearance often leaves us empty. Jesus offers us a deeper identity, one that does not depend on fashion or public approval. No one is saved by clothing choices. We are saved by grace through faith in Jesus Christ alone. But genuine faith changes how we live. James 2 verse 17 says, faith, if it hath not works, is dead, being alone. When we surrender our hearts to Christ, our speech, entertainment, relationships, and appearance begin to reflect His character. The goal is not to look extreme. The goal is to know Jesus so deeply that His love transforms every area of our lives. Come to Christ just as you are. And allow Him to shape you into His image.